Who are Stratio, and what are you doing here at Big Data London today?
Stratio is a data fabric platform. So what we help is companies extract value out of data, which is something that everybody says, but we have kind of a holistic approach, like virtualizing data, getting governance and data quality over it, and then helping them get business meaning so that they can really apply things like Gen AI or LLMs on top of it.
When it comes to customers and their struggles, what do you find that they're struggling with when it comes to getting that value out of their data?
I mean, usually there are multiple things. The first thing is knowing where their data is. That's the first problem, and getting a holistic view of the data of the company. That's the first problem that we find, and when we solve that, which usually through virtualization, we have the data in a center point, we can apply security on top of it, then we start to see that the data, the quality is usually really crappy. And that's when you go into data governance, data quality, and so on. And we have a different approach to most companies, that it's using ontologies that enables us to give that governance and that quality, but also adding semantic meaning, which is something that not many tools have, and that allow you to do a lot of different things with the use of knowledge graphs.
Okay, yeah, that makes a lot of sense. And obviously looking forward to the next 12 months or so, are there any particular trends that you feel like are really going to help shape the market in that time frame?
Totally. I mean, nowadays the trend, without a doubt, is generative AI, ChatGPT, LLMs, and so on. We are focused on helping companies work with these tools in enterprise data. And that's not something simple because of two things. First, security, and then hallucinations. You shouldn't put your data into an LLM, because the granularity that you get in security by the nature of the LLM, you won't get it there. And then the next step is you get hallucinations if you don't bring context. A data fabric helps you solve all of that and helps you go where we've always wanted to go, which is into the business user, bridge a gap between the business user and the enterprise data. And you do that by getting into a change in the interface. Things in the future, are, from my point of view, we are in data, are going to be about the interface. People will get used to talk in natural language to the data, whether it's external data that they have in the internet or data that they have in the company. And to do that, you need to be able to use an LLM. And to use an LLM with enterprise data, you need a data fabric to solve the security and the hallucinations issues. That's where we are putting all the focus.
That makes a lot of sense. And obviously, you're here today with Stratio at Big Data London on day one of the event. How has the event been like for you?
Amazing. I mean, lots of people. I was surprised because I was expecting it to be more business oriented, but we've got people around the stage talking with us, super technical questions, deep diving, a lot of knowledge, a lot of interesting meetings, so super happy about the first day.